In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close MindMap branches in MindNode. We're focusing on the iPad and iPhone version, and by the end you'll know the quickest way to tidy up a busy map so you can concentrate on what matters. Let's start with what we mean by a branch. In MindNode, a branch is a parent idea and all the child nodes that stem from it. When a map grows, those branches can sprawl across the canvas. Collapsing a branch temporarily folds those child nodes out of view, giving you a cleaner workspace without deleting anything. First, open your map and find the parent idea you want to fold. That parent is the branch node. Tap the branch node once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a highlight around the node. On touch devices, that single tap is important because it tells MindNode exactly which branch you intend to control. If your map is dense, zooming in a bit can make tapping more precise. With the node selected, look for the small triangle, sometimes called the collapse icon, next to the node. This icon sits right on the line where the branch begins, typically at the edge of the parent node. Depending on your layout or theme, it may appear to the side where the child nodes fan out. Think of it as the hinge of the branch. Tap that triangle or collapse icon. Instantly, the branch closes. All the child nodes under that parent are folded away, and your canvas becomes cleaner. You'll usually see a subtle indicator showing the branch can be expanded again later, letting you know everything is still there, just tucked out of sight. This simple tap and collapse action is perfect when you're presenting ideas, reviewing priorities, or focusing on one section at a time. Collapsing does not remove or hide content permanently. It only changes the view. When you're ready to revisit those details, you can expand the same branch the way you collapsed it, and your child nodes will return exactly as you left them. If you don't see the triangle, make sure you've tapped a parent node that actually has child nodes. The icon only appears when there's something to fold. Also, if the map is zoomed far out, the icon can be small, so zooming in slightly can help you spot it. And that's it. Tap the branch node, then tap the triangle next to it, and the branch closes. It's a small gesture that makes a big difference in keeping your ideas clear and your workflow smooth.